Hey guys, in today's video, I'm going to show you the best browser for 2025. Let's begin. Let's start with Google Chrome. Speed and performance is the main selling point of the Google Chrome web browser. Chrome is fast, reliable, and optimized for all major platforms, such as Android, Windows, and so on. And the great thing about the Google Chrome web browser is that they have many extensions that you can implement into your web browser. So you can simply go to the Chrome Web Store, where you can find hundreds of extensions and themes just for your web browser. So you can change the wallpaper and the background theme of your own web browser, so which is pretty cool. And another thing about the Google web browser is that you can also implement your Google services into it. So there is seamless connectivity when it comes to connecting your Gmail or other Google accounts with the Chrome web browser. However, there is one major drawback to this web browser is that your data is pretty much compromised. Because there have been countless articles where people talk about how Google, the web browser, the Google Chrome web browser, is currently like using your personal data to send you marketed ads, targeted and marketed ads. So if data is not a huge concern to you, then you can try to use the Google Chrome web browser. But me personally, I would not, because privacy is a main key point that I want within a good browser. Then the other issue is that it uses lots of CPU and RAM. So if you have a pretty good PC, such as a gaming PC, then having this browser could be good for you based on your preferences. But let's say that you have a pretty standard laptop or a computer which does not actually run quite well, then I would not suggest using this browser because it is resource intensive and your PC is going to slow down and struggle. Then we move on to Microsoft Edge. Performance built on Chromium like Chrome, but optimized for better performance and less resource usage. Features comes with built-in tools like vertical tabs, immersive reader mode, and collections for organizing research. The security part, it's pretty strong. It has a strong privacy setting and integration with Microsoft Defender. Now, the one thing that I like about this web browser is that it does not use way too many resources on your computer, so you can run multiple tabs in the background knowing that your computer is not going to slow down. Now, a con is that compared to things such as Chrome, it does not have the seamless connectivity such as Google services and so on, because Chrome is usually built around Google services such as Gmail, such as Google Drive, and it makes it a lot easier. But with Microsoft Edge, it's going to be a little tougher because not all websites support this browser. And another con is that this browser has a heavy reliance on the Bing ecosystem, and it can be quite annoying to try to switch from your Bing search bar to a Google search bar. And another drawback is that there are less extensions compared to Chrome. And then we move on to Mozilla Firefox. Now, the great thing about Firefox is that it offers excellent privacy protections, including enhanced tracking prevention and private browsing modes. Customizability, highly customizable with themes, extensions, and settings. It is open source, so developed by a nonprofit, making it a favorite for privacy advocates. Now, the cons is that it's slightly slower than Chromium-based browsers in some scenarios, fewer extensions compared to Chrome or Edge. And the main reason why this browser is at the top is because it has a high focus on keeping your private data safe. So compared to things such as Edge and Google Chrome, this one would be the best one if your concern is privacy. So out of all the three browsers that I've mentioned here in this video, the one that I would recommend most is the Firefox browsers. So if you're looking for a balance between Google Chrome and the Edge web browser, then I would suggest Firefox. And there you go. I hope this video was helpful for you, and I'll see you in the next one.